Say hi to the camera, Savannah. Good. Savannah is going to drink something very cold.
Is it cold?
Very good.
That's a little drink. Is that still cold?
Yeah.
How cold is it? Does it make you go burr?
Good job. What are you eating now? Noodles?
Whoa, that's a lot of noodles. You slurp them pretty fast. Finish those and then we'll show the camera how you can slurp a noodle. Ready?
Okay, let's see. Whoa! It disappeared so fast.
You're a good noodle slurper. Oh, we gotta do it from the end so we get to see.
Yeah, we get to see the whole action.
Ready?
Okay, put your hands down.
Alright, hands down. Hands down.
Whoop! There it went. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
One more.
Oh, we're gonna do one more.
Okay, no hands. Ready? Keep going.
Good job. Bye-bye. Love you.